Welcome back. The National Assembly's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee will, from Thursday, begin hearing 3 petitions seeking to remove 4 commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. While 2 of the petitions will be heard Thursday, the 3rd petition will be heard a day later, on Friday, before the committee allows the commissioners to respond to the claims. Political differences between the Kenya Kwanza coalition on one end and their counterparts in Azimio are likely to come into play during the hearings and debate when the report is tabled in plenary.
In a notice published on dailies, National Assembly Clerk Samuel Njoroge notified members of the public that the Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs will begin hearing the 3 petitions that seek the removal of IEBC Vice Chair Juliana Cherera and fellow commissioners Irene Masit, Justice Nyang'aya and Francis Wanderi. The 3 petitions filed by the Republican Party, Reverend Dennis Nthumbi, Geoffrey Langat, and Award Steve Jerry, accused the 4 commissioners of gross misconduct and incompetence emanating from their conduct during the verification and announcement of the August 9th general election. The first petitioner before the committee will be the Republican Party representatives, while the Reverend Nthumbi will be the second petitioner, with ensuing cross-examination. On Friday, the 3rd petition will be heard, with the Departmental Committee expected to listen to responses from the accused commissioners on Monday the 28th, with Cherera as the first commissioner, followed by Irene Masit. Before concluding the hearings on Tuesday, the committee will listen to responses from Commissioners Francis Wanderi and Justice Nyang'aya before retreating to write their report.
We have, as a committee, notified the respondents to also come and defend those petitions. And then, depending on what transpires during those proceedings, that is when, as a committee, a decision will be, in fact, not a decision, a recommendation will be made to the entire House, who will, in turn, make a final decision on whether the petitions have merit or no merit.
The committee can recommend to the President for the removal of the 4 commissioners if the evidence adduced before it satisfies that there was gross misconduct and incompetence on their part, or recommend the dismissal of the 3 petitions. The House, however, must debate the report and adopt it, reject it, or adopt it, but with amendments.
Every member is entitled to express their gut feeling at first sight or at first mention or reading of a petition once it's brought to the House. Our business is to dispassionately give the grievance a platform to come and justify that a recommendation is required to go to the President.
The differences between the majority and the minority side will once again play out in the process, the pinnacle of it being during the debate on the report. John Jacob Curia, Prime Edition.